Welcome to the deep green wilderness. It is Earth's enchanted land of forest nature. Forests are one of the most beautiful and peaceful places on our planet. They are full of tall trees, fresh air, and gentle sounds that make the mind calm. The nature of forests connects us to the earth and reminds us how important it is to protect our environment. Every part of a forest feels alive, from the ground beneath our feet to the sky above the trees. Forest nature is rich with life. Everywhere you look, you can see plants, flowers, insects, and animals living together in harmony. Birds fly from tree to tree, singing their soft songs. Butterflies move through light and shadow. The forest floor is covered with leaves, small plants, and tiny creatures working quietly. This beautiful mix of life makes forests feel magical. Trees are the heart of a forest. They stand tall and strong, providing shelter and food for many living beings. Their roots hold the earth together. Their leaves create shade, and their branches become homes for animals. Trees also give us oxygen, the air we need to breathe. Walking among tall trees makes us feel safe and peaceful, as if nature is protecting us. Light in a forest feels special. Sunlight enters through the gaps between the leaves, creating soft patterns on the ground. This gentle light makes the forest look golden and calm. In the early morning, mist often covers the forest, giving it a dreamy and mysterious feeling. The changing light shows different moods of the forest throughout the day. Forests are also places of soft and calming sounds that make us feel relaxed. You can hear the wind moving through the trees, birds calling to each other, and leaves rustling under your feet. Sometimes you may hear a stream or river flowing nearby. These natural sounds create a peaceful environment that helps people forget stress and feel refreshed. Animals play an important role in the nature of forests. Deer, monkeys, squirrels, and many other creatures live safely among the trees. They find food, raise their families, and travel through the forest every day. Seeing animals in their natural world reminds us of how beautiful and balanced life can be when nature is protected. Forests also help keep our planet healthy. They clean the air, keep the climate stable, and provide homes for thousands of species. Forests absorb carbon dioxide and release fresh oxygen. They also store water, prevent floods, and keep soil strong. Without forests, the world would lose its natural balance. People often visit forests to find peace and adventure. Hiking, camping, and exploring nature trails help people connect with the natural world. The quiet environment of forests helps the mind rest and brings a feeling of happiness. Many people say that spending time in forests makes them feel healthier and more alive. Forests also inspire art, music, and stories. Their beauty has always touched human hearts. From fairy tales to paintings, forests are often seen as places of wonder, mystery, and discovery. They remind us of childhood memories, dreams, and the joy of exploring the unknown. In the end, the nature of forests is a gift to the world. Their beauty, life, and peaceful energy make them one of Earth's greatest treasures. Protecting forests means protecting the future of our planet. When we walk through a forest, we feel that nature is speaking to us calmly, gently, and lovingly. Forests remind us to care for the earth and respect the beautiful world we live in.